In this video, I will demonstrate you how to develop a Python program to check if a number is even or odd. The user will enter one number and I have to check whether that number is even number or odd number. The entered number will be stored in a variable, say num. The number to be entered is of type integer, that's why int word is written. It is followed by the input function and it is followed by the message to be prompted to the user, that is enter the number. Double inverted comma completed and brackets completed. The entered number is now stored in num variable. What is the next step? Now I have to check when the number divided by 2 gives me 0 as a remainder or not. If the remainder is 0, obviously the number is even, else the number is odd. So I have two choices. Number either can be a even number or it can be odd. That's why I am going to use the decision control, that is if else. So if, then num percent 2 double equals to 0. Now what does it mean? The entered number is divided by 2 and remainder is compared with 0, because here I am using percent operator and percent operator gives me remainder. So when number divided by 2 gives me 0 as a remainder, then this becomes true and the program control goes here. So what I have to do? I have to print the message that the num is even. Now what is the second possibility? The second possibility is that when the entered number is divided by 2 and it gives me 1 as a remainder, then this bracket comes to be 1 compared with 0, the result is going to be false. So that's why it will straight away go to the else part, and in else part what I am going to do? I am going to display the message that the entered number, that is num, is odd. So let us save the program by pressing Ctrl S and now run the program. Now I am getting one error, that is expected colon. As if is terminated with colon, else is also to be terminated with the colon. So I have debugged the program. Again I will save the program and I will run the program. So run the program. Here I am getting the message enter the number. Say I have entered the number 8. 8 is even. Let us run it one more time. Now what I will do? I will enter odd number. Enter the number. Say the entered number is 9. 9 is odd. So in this way, by using if else control statement, I have developed a program which gives me result that whether the entered number is even number or odd number. Thank you.